This is how to add your logo or a picture to the bottom of your survey so that you can send people off with your beautiful face and maybe even your logo too, and make the survey more personable and more branded to you. So I'm going to use this draft survey, and where are we here? Design survey. All right. So you don't want to use this logo feature. That's a paid feature. What you want to do is go down here, and instead of clicking add new question, you want to click this down arrow on the right hand side. Now you can see that you have all of these different things you can add. You don't want to have image choice. You want to choose this one down here, which is image. And you can enter an image label if you want to. So we're going to click upload image. And then we're going to upload the URL, or we're going to upload the file. So I'm just going to go and grab something here to show you how to do this. What do we get? Let's throw this bad boy in there. Loading, loading, loading. Do, 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 do. And yeah, there you have it. Save. So now at the bottom of your survey, what's going to appear is this. And if you already have, because you're only allowed 10 questions with the free version of SurveyMonkey. So one thing to be prepared for is if you've already got 10 questions, you won't be able to add this. So you want to make sure that you have no more than 9 questions before you add this. So I built this in Canva, of course. So what I recommend you do is put some text on your image and be like, thank you so much for taking my survey. Go to this website to get your free blah, 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 your coupon, your ebook, your video course, whatever you're giving them in exchange for taking your survey. And you're going to basically send them to your MailChimp landing page where they are going to join your email list in exchange for a free gift. And that's going to be information they receive only once they've completed this survey. I hope that helps, and awesome work on building surveys and gathering an email list of the right kind of people that you want to serve.